So I put the spindle here into my working vise, and I will try to use this thing here to pull this spacer and the inner ring off, and I put, probably I'll get away with something like this, we will see. It's coming off pretty easy now. Yeah, super awesome. It couldn't be easier. It couldn't be any easier. So awesome. Okay, it's just a spacer in between that has a small step here, ground. Is the surface ground? Yes, it is. And on top sits the inner ring for the upper roller bearing. Perfect. Okay, next up is the axial bearing here. Yeah, there we go. That's moving. There we go. There's a groove in here. There's a tilted groove. And yeah, and there's this, oh, I see. And through this upper part, it is then spread and locks probably, or it's just to center it, probably also. I don't know. Oh, it's an SKF bearing, and it will be SKF again. So we will keep the quality for the next probably 60 years. Oh, there we go. The outer ring of the axial bearing is put onto another bushing, and that needs to be pressed out, but that should be fairly simple. Yeah, it's coming. Fuck. Still fine. And there's the rest of the stuff. So the whole thing is apart now. Great. Well, let's see if this ring comes out easily. But I don't want to have it falling out, so let's see. It's quite tight. Okay, finally these two rings have to come apart. I just try to use, I really want to be gentle with these stuff. So I'm using a nut and a bolt, and then just gently unscrew them. Well, slowly but constantly we're getting it out. there we have it. And with this, the whole disassembly is completed. I put all the parts in the order they were mounted on the spindle to just keep the order and make it simpler for reassembly. And now the next part will be starting to mount the bearings, the new ones, on the main spindle, and some spoiler for this bearings here. I also ordered new one, closed one, so that I will not have to take care about greasing them up anymore, so they should have lifetime lubrication. But let's see how that goes.